Hi everyone, Tatiana is here. Today I'm checking out the keyboard from the brand Oyayo. The model is FHP10. It has 88 keys, it's folding, weighted, and it promises a realistic piano sound. So let's see how it works. The first thing I noticed is how compact it is. It's pretty heavy, but not too much. It weighs 8.5 kgs. Keyboardists, I've seen you many times carrying your large and inconvenient instruments where you need to play, and this one is going to make a huge difference for you. It folds in half and comes with its own carrying bag, which makes it easier to transport or store. If you travel, teach, or simply don't have much space, that's already a big advantage. You can plug it to a power source using the USB-C cable, but also this keyboard has its own rechargeable battery, which means you don't have to have a power source near you anymore. You can just take it to the park and play it under the trees, and it'll be completely fine. Now let's talk about the keys. They're velocity sensitive and all your very tiny dynamic nuances are going to be heard. It feels so really close to an acoustic piano. There is also a microphone input if you want to sing while you are playing, which is awesome. You can just put a microphone stand and sing, and the sound will go through the dynamics out. Unfortunately, at home I don't have a microphone cable with a jack on the end to plug it here, so I decided to try this input with my bass guitar. So my bass sounds from the loudspeakers out of the keyboard now. In this keyboard, you have 127 different instrument sounds and timbres. Acoustic piano, bright piano, electronic piano, honky-tonk, Rhodes, chorus, harpsichord, and so many more. Of course, you have some standard sounds here, like the guitar, the organ, the strings, and many of them do sound really realistic. The keyboard also includes 127 built-in drum patterns. Of course, the tempo is adjustable as well. The drum rhythms are quite useful when you want to practice with the groove. It has a metronome which sounds quite nice, and you can adjust the time signature and the tempo, of course. And it has 29 demo songs if you want to listen to them. You can also split the keyboard into two sections with different sounds if you want, or layer two different sounds on one key. And this is quite useful when you experiment with the sounds or you give your hands different roles, like a bass and the guitar, for example. You can adjust the key sensitivity, sustain, vibrato. You can record yourself playing. You can transpose by just pressing a button, and it's a huge advantage for a band playing. The feature that I really like is Bluetooth. You can connect your device wirelessly and play along with a backing track. Overall, I think that this keyboard is a solid option if you are looking for a portable, full-size, weighted keyboard. The feeling of it is really very real, so close to a real acoustic piano. And also it has lots of technological features as a digital instrument. I do like this keyboard a lot, and the most probably I like how it feels. Just 10 or 15 years ago, we couldn't even dream of an actual affordable keyboard of this high quality. We are so lucky to see how technologies develop so fast right in front of our eyes. You can really use this piano even as a seasoned piano performer, or for piano exam preparations, or for so many more reasons. If you'd like to learn more about this keyboard, you'll find the link in the description below. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe for more gear reviews and for the best guitar lessons. Thanks for watching and happy grooving!